Will artificial intelligence really kill the DJ industry? Will AI really kill the DJ industry? I've seen this question in a few DJ forums, and I'm here to tell you that your job is 100% safe. AI will not be taking over a DJ booth anytime soon, but it could potentially offer some really cool benefits to DJs as it gets smarter and better. Let's take a look at some potential scenarios where AI could really be an awesome tool for us to grow and love. Unless you're an old crabby DJ, then you're just gonna hate it. Shut up! But either way, let's get into it. Eventually, AI will wiggle its way into DJ software and hardware, and to be real, to an extent, it already has. Algorithm's DJ Pro already has AI built in. It handles things like auto mix, neural mix, which is their version of stems, and recommended track selection. That's all already being handled with AI in the DJ Pro software. So what is coming in the future for our industry involving AI? Here's what I think the DJ world can look like implementing AI in the future. So the first thing I think is we're no longer gonna have to search for intro edits. Now hear me out. I really believe that we'll see AI integration into DJ software that allows DJs to make custom edits on the fly. Imagine all you have to do is tell future Serato that you need an intro edit for a track, and it does it. It sounds really far-fetched, but if you look at AI and what it's capable of already, in a few years, I think it's something that could really happen. We all know Serato won't be the first one to do it, but as soon as every other DJ software adopts it, Serato will eventually throw it in. But I really do see a future where I can select a track and just be like, DJ program, make me an intro edit, and it spits it right out. Magic. The next feature that I think AI is gonna bring is performance analysis. Eventually, we're gonna see an AI tool that'll not only listen to your mix, but it'll find your flaws and tell you how to make the mix smoother and better. It could even recommend songs that match with what you have on your playlist, suggest that you remove certain songs because maybe they don't fit, or search the internet for remixes or edits that it thinks will fit better in that playlist for that mix. AI could potentially tell you if your phrasing while you're mixing is correct, or let you know that you're not starting your mix at the right point. Maybe your transform scratch is 1 or 2 beats off from the actual song. There's potential that the AI can not only let you know that your scratches are off beat, but show you how to scratch on beat, that way you don't make that mistake in the future. The possibilities with AI are really endless, and I hope somebody who's a lot smarter than me is watching this video and can actually implement some of these strategies, because I think they'd be really cool. In a world where DJs love spending their hard-earned cheddar on shiny new shit, what if you could buy AI-enhanced cameras or sensors that could accurately tell whether or not the crowd you're DJing for is actually into what you're doing? I can already hear the people in the back screaming, "It's your job as a DJ to look at the crowd and read everybody's faces." Well, when you have 200 plus people in front of you, it's kind of hard to see everyone's reaction and how they're feeling about your mixes and what you're playing. But you know what could do that? AI. I think it would be really awesome to have like a built-in crowd gauge, you know, like getting a ton of information from all the monitoring resources that are telling you exactly how people are feeling or not feeling about the mix that you're playing. Having a tool like this, along with using your experience as a DJ, because we never 100% rely just on the tools we're given, could really be something cool. I mean, is it necessary? Absolutely not.
You don't need that, my man. You know what? We don't need this.
But would it be cool? Oh my God, it'd be great. Do you know how to properly gain stage? If not, watch this video right here where I teach you how to do that exact thing. But what if AI could do that for you? I can really see a world where a digital mixer would have AI built in, and using some sort of fancy algorithm could tell you if you're staging your gains correctly, or even do it for you. AI built into that digital mixer could also potentially EQ everything for you.
That was easy.
You know, like use an algorithm to make sure that your sound sounds great. AI could handle things like the anti-feedback features that digital mixers come with. I mean, it could even potentially lower or raise mic volumes depending on what it needs to do. There are so many things that AI could handle when it comes to digital mixing, and I really think we're closer to that than anything else. This next one is piggybacking off my first point, but I can see a future where record pools are taking a hit because AI can make its own mashups and remixes. Now, this isn't completely far-fetched because it's doing it today. It's even making its own songs based on the criteria of whatever's being inputted. It's wild where it's at right now, but imagine where it will be in the future. How nice would it be to be in your DJ program of choice, select a song, and tell the AI within the program, hey, I need to make this song more danceable. Add a backbeat and speed it up, and it does it. Now you've got a danceable version of the song that you just submitted, and that's happening all in real time.
Magic.
What about making a mashup? How convenient would it be to just tell AI within your DJ program, take these two songs, I want the lyrics from song A over the beat of song B, and have it automatically create it for you.
Sweet!
This may seem a little far-fetched, but like I said, AI is already making its own music. And every day, various AI sources are just getting smarter and smarter and smarter. I can really see this happening. Now, will it be in the DJ software that you're using? I can't guarantee that, and I'm not 100% sure. But will there eventually be a software that does this, where it can accurately create really good remixes and mashups on its own, on the fly? I think it's gonna happen, and I actually think it's gonna happen sooner than you think. If you made it to the end of this video, I'd like to say thank you so much for watching. If you found anything valuable and informative, please feel free to subscribe to the channel, comment on this video. Again, thank you for watching. I'm Seth Velez, aka DJ Seth V. This is DJ Tech Tips, and we out!